Annyeong, this is your Korean study buddy Sunny. Today we will be talking about the BTS military exemption discussion and linguistic expressions related to military service. To give you some background about the topic, I will briefly explain what Korean military service is. Basically, all Korean men in their 20s must complete military service for about 18 months. However, if they win a medal in a specific sports match and competition listed by Military Manpower Administration, they can alternatively serve as arts and sports personnel instead of doing the actual military service. In this case, they just need to complete basic military training and the designated hours of a volunteer. This means that they can continue their career. That's why many Koreans find this policy a great benefit and refer to this as an exemption. The professional footballer Heung-min is the best example of this. As he was a member of the South Korea team and won the Asian Games in 2018, he qualified to become an arts and sports personnel. And there are many memes like Heung-min is free that originated from the Adobe's quote from Harry Potter. So it is technically possible to apply this policy to BTS if government adds the pop culture field to the enforcement decree. However, it is not easy to revise it to give BTS an exemption because it is too controversial. Here are the main pros and cons. People who agree with BTS military exemption say, as artists, BTS contributes more national prestige than doing actual military service. Some people insisted that BTS already has enormously contributed to South Korea, so they deserve to have military benefits. Others say that excluding K-pop idols from arts and sports personnel is unfair. On the contrary, people who disagree with BTS military exemption say that revising the enforcement decree for one specific boy band could deliver the message that successful people don't need to do military service. Some people insist that unlike athletes, idol groups did not work for the country and did not represent the nation. Furthermore, it is hard to choose which specific standards decide who qualifies and who doesn't. Other people think the exemption policy itself should not be encouraged because of the population decline. Let's move on to Korean expressions associated with military service. Our first word is gun-dae, meaning military. Our second word is 병역면제, meaning military service exemption. In this context, 병역 is mandatory military service and 면제 is exemption. Our last word, 입대하다, is a verb and means to join the military. This marks the end of today's video. If you have any opinion or thoughts on this topic or have a similar policy in your country, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. 안녕! In my next video, I will come back with a new word and story. Leave suggestion in the comments. See you in the next video.